Remove the old filter holder first. Install the 150mm magnetic armor filter holder on the adapter. Make sure the filter hold attached correctly. And tighten it with the screw on the right side of the holder. 150mm armor magnetic ND filter can be installed on the holder magnetically. For long exposure photography, the upper screw on the right side of the holder is for fixing the square ND filter. Attach the GND filter in front of the ND filter. Double check if the GND filter attached properly. The second screw on the right side is for fixing the GND filter on the holder. After all these steps, you can use it properly.